2, 3.
Hello my Hive Tribe, it's Queen Urbane and welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys the products I use on my relaxed hair. So I am relaxed, though my hair is curly right now. It was in a flexi rod set last night, in which I took out this morning, and this is how I've been rocking it. If you watch any of my older videos regarding my relaxed hair, I'm always doing some type of roller set, some type of curl set, something that's allowing my hair to be styled overnight, because I do not like doing my hair in the morning. Like, it's so annoying when my hair is not done. So I try to set it, and I've been a lot more consistent with it over the last few months. I've been very consistent with it. Like, this is really my go-to hairstyle whenever I'm rocking my relaxed hair. And now that my hair is growing, like literally it's getting longer and stuff. Yeah, you see, now that my hair is growing, I hope I didn't mess up my hair. But yeah, now that it's growing, I don't have to really rely on weave as much anymore, honestly, as I'm falling more in love with my hair, for real. And I think it's because of the products I'm using. So that is actually a great segue into the next part of this video. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products I use to take care of my hair. And before I ramble on, if you like this type of content, subscribe. I know you want to see Queen Urbane all the time. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I upload. We talk about all things level up. That means hair care, career advice, love, relationships, life, imagination. It's all a part of growing yourself and growing in love, okay? So with that being said, let's dive into the video on the products that I'm using. Make sure to thumbs up this video so that we can be involved in the YouTube algorithm, okay? Because if you thumbs up this video, more people can get exposed to the amazing diva that I am. So the first thing I'm going to show is the shampoo and conditioner. I am using the BIOTIN Boost HASK brand, I guess. HASK Clean Beauty, yeah. BIOTIN Boost thickening conditioner with biotin, collagen, and coffee. So I use both the shampoo and the conditioner. I try to use the same shampoo and conditioner just all the time, because I feel like the products are made for each other and they'll work better together. So I just typically always grab, if I grab one brand like a shampoo, I'm going to grab the same conditioner. I really like this shampoo. It's really cute, and I have used it a few times, but yeah, before that I was using the Organics coconut repair hair, which I have in a lot of my videos. So that is my shampoo and my conditioner. I use BIOLAGE Matrix Biolage Balayage. I don't know. I'm gonna say balayage so I don't look like an idiot. But balayage Hydra Source Conditioning Balm. I use this on my hair about once a week. It's a really nice conditioner. It smells really, really good. I actually got this because I was like looking up deep conditioners for relaxed hair on Amazon, and this showed up, and it was like super expensive. Like, I think this was like $35, but like the reviews was like, oh my god, this changed my hair for the better. I am a new person now because of this product. Like, it was nothing but fantastic reviews. Like, even salon owners was like, oh, this is my go-to. Like, one girl was even like, oh, she goes to the salon to get her like hair deep conditioned, and her salon would never tell her the deep condition they use because it left her hair like so silky. So she like one day sneaked and like saw what they used, even though they've been trying to hide it the whole time, and she realized it was this, so that's why she got it. And I don't know, for some reason that story like convinced me, so I bought it, and I really do agree with that. I feel like my hair is super nourished because of this. Like, as you can see my hair. I just deep conditioned my hair about Saturday. Yes, okay, I got a deep conditioner on Saturday at the salon. I bring this with me. Like, I literally bring it with me. I don't let them use whatever they got. I say, hey, can you use this? And then they tell me if they can or can't. And some salons really have told me like, no. But yeah, this is the product. It's very good for relaxed hair, for dry, damaged, color treated, whatever hair. Yes, that is what I use, my deep conditioner. I use this as my Styling Souffle. This is Design Essentials Moisture Rip Styling Souffle because it's very hydrating. It has argan oil in it, and it's good for styling relaxed or natural hair. And I just ran out of this one, but the next one is the 2-sheet conditioner and styling elixir, and this one right here is like so awesome. Like, I love this so much. But yeah, I love this one so much. Like, it's literally like done. I just ran out. I got it from Marshall's, but it's a leave-in conditioner styling and styling, like, basically cream to smooth out out of control hair, detangles, conditions, defines styles, reduces frizz and flyaways while taming unmanaged hair. 20 benefits to improve your smoothness is shea butter and sweet almond oil, salon quality. So because I do my own hair a lot of the time, like, I just started getting consistent wash-in sets from a natural hair salon near me about 3 weeks ago. Aside of that though, I've always done my own hair, if you guys know, so I always try to buy like salon quality products. So like Design Essential is kind of pricey. Like this this styling souffle is $15.99, and then this one was $5.99. Yeah, I do spend like a pretty penny on the items that I use on my hair, but I really think they help to take care of it better. Because even these, I think these were like $12 each, so like $24 in total on that. So next, my liquid, what I like to spray my hair with, if it's not water to style it, you know, so I can make sure my style is on point, is this Mielle White Pony leave-in conditioner for all hair types. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do not really like this item. Like, I don't like this really at all. Like, it doesn't penetrate my hair, but it does get it wet. Like, I mean, well, not wet, but it does, like, yeah, it like wets it a little bit because it's like a liquid. But I actually don't really like this at all. I'm just waiting to run out of it because I think I spent over $10 on this bottle. So that's why I haven't stopped using it, because I don't really like it. Yeah, honestly, I don't like it. So don't get this, but this is what I've been using and still using. Like, I already sprayed this on my hair last night, but yeah, I'm just using it until I run out. As well, the Argan leave-in conditioner spray. I like to use this, but it is like literally almost like an oil for real. So I kind of seal with this more so than use it as a leave-in conditioner, though it's called a leave-in conditioner spray. Like, this literally leaves your hair like not greasy, but like if you put a lot, your hair can be greasy. So just be careful with this. But this is kind of what I use for like oiling my hair and conditioning my hair. Also, because it's an oil, it doesn't really penetrate into it either, so I don't know what that's about, but yeah, that's this one. It is DIFEEL Different Feel Argan Leave-In Conditioner Spray Rehydrate. I do like this though. Like, I do actually like it. It's just I don't know why it's called a leave-in conditioner when it's like just oil. Like, it's literally like just oil. I don't know. But it is really good, and I have been using it for a while. Like, as you can see, it's like almost like ran out. My holy grail item is the Garnier. Ooh, it's like hair on it and stuff. Whew, that's how you know I really use this. But Garnier FRUITIS Style Curl and Construct Creation Mousse. Weightless curls, extra strong holds. So it's at 3, and I love this. Like, it really does give you a weightless curl. Like, it constructs the curl, which these are from Flexi Rods. This hairstyle that I have right now, it's literally, these are the Flexi Rods that I have. And what I did was I washed and set my hair. Like, I went to the salon on Saturday, and by like time yesterday came, I kind of like, my hair kind of poofed out too much because I forgot to wrap it the day before. But you guys would understand. Like, I've been so consistent with like wrapping my hair up every single night. Like, this is not even like me. Like, I'm trying something different. But that, yeah, like 2 nights ago, I kind of forgot and got lazy and stuff. So my hair kind of poofed up, and I was like, okay, cool. Like, it still felt very nice. Like, you can tell I just got my hair washed recently though. So I just put on Flexi Rods last night with this, and used, of course, my like styling cream and all that other stuff, you know, the spray and all that. And this is kind of it the next day. So gorgeous. I literally didn't put anything on my hair. I just styled the edges with edge control. This is my favorite edge control of all time. It is Blueberry Bliss Curl Paste. And this was recommended to me, okay, not personally, let me not make myself mad, self-important, but like You Love Megs, like if you watch her, she's been documenting her hair journey for like almost a decade now. But when I was in high school, she recommended this. Like, she did a video talking about her favorite edge controls for relaxed hair or something, and this was one of them. I picked it up back then and I loved it, but it was so expensive for me back then. And I've been kind of using it non-stop ever since like college, because I remembered it being good, and it still is so good. Like, I'm talking about, my edges will stay put all day. So right now I've been getting wash sets because I'm about like 2 months now post relaxer. So like, as you can see, it's like curling up a little bit and standing up a little bit because like that new growth busting. But I don't know, y'all know, like it still is like kind of in where I wanted it to be. Like, I can freshen it up if I would like it to, but I've had edge control like that leaves after 10 minutes. I did this at 9 a.m. and it is now 3:48. So not doing that bad. Favorite edge control of all time. Such a good edge control. Lastly, I use the blow dry styling primer by Design Essentials. I don't use this as often as the other items because I don't always blow dry my hair. But if I do, I definitely use this, and it really helps with keeping the curls set because I use roller sets a lot. Like roller sets are life for me. The only way I kind of know how to keep my hair styled without like heating it constantly. I'm like so sick of braids. Like, I'm just sick of braids. I'm sick of wigs. Like, I'm just sick of wigs. Like, I'm sick of everything. I just want to love my hair. But I'm not going to love my hair if it's not constantly on point, because that's what gets me frustrated about rocking my real hair, when I don't know how to style it. So I've just been kind of thinking outside of the box. What, you know, all the beautiful glamorous girls that you've seen in the 50s and 60s and whatever, they really spent a lot more time, like, at night styling their hair up, or waking up super early before their like husbands or whoever, you know, really styling themselves. So I've been just trying to emulate that, because this culture of today is just so lazy. Like, we don't care about anything, and then we're frustrated at the fact that like nothing is done and on point, you know. So whatever. I'll let you guys know the pills that I'm taking also for my hair. So I am taking HAIRFINITY. I did just start taking this about a month ago, so that is why my edges is Metro Boomin on the track. HAIRFINITY is really doing it for me. Like, I've been having to get washing sets because that's how crazy my new growth has been, but it's like fine, you know, because I'd rather someone else deal with that than me. I've been loving my hair, and that is really the products that I have been using. I also use collagen, but they said collagen helps with your hair as well. That's the only reason why I'm mentioning it. But this is kind of more for like your skin, you know. I guess they both just help. So yeah, I use HAIRFINITY and collagen, and I just drink a lot of water so that my skin doesn't break out like crazy. I totally forgot to show you guys some oils that I use. I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I use this Jamaican Black Castor Oil by 10 Natural. Is that what that says? IQ Natural or 10 Natural? I can't see. But this is what I use. Oh, IO Natural. IQ Natural? I don't know. Or whatever. But I just like lift it up. It's still very thick. Like, it's like any other castor oil, but it's just in a bottle, you know, with a little dripper thing, which I really like. So I just lift it up, swirl it on my hand so the oil doesn't drip down, and then massage it on my scalp and my head. I've been doing that like literally every few days so that my hair can stimulate growth, because I am growing my hair long this year. We do that, okay? I use rose oil in my hair, multi-use rose oil. So it's kind of the same with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Like, I use them both interchangeably, which I just put some in my hand because it's also like an applicator bottle like this. Put it on my hand, rub it and then just like massage my scalp, and it allows my hair to grow. Make sure to comment below of products you use. What's your hair regimen? Let me know about anything you got going on with your relaxed hair, and let's walk on this journey together. But that is really pretty much everything I do to maintain my relaxed hair. That is all my products. As you all know, hair care is self-love, and if you're indulging in self-care, which is taking care of your hair, you are leveling up in life. With that being said, thank you so much. Bye.
1, 2, 3